Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to record an audio clip and forward it on Slack. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on or go to the direct messages section, or either to the channel section, and select the conversation. After that you should tap on this plus icon down below and tap on record an audio clip. Tap on OK, meaning that you allow Slack to have access to your microphone. As you can see, the recording has already started, so all you have to do is just speak and tell your addressee what you want to say. And then if you are done with the speaking part and the recording, tap on the check mark icon. Thereby the audio clip recording has stopped. Here you can find the whole audio clip. If you want to listen to it, tap on this play button. And if you are satisfied with the result, you can send it to your addressee by tapping on the send icon down below. As you can see, you have sent it to your addressee. And if you tap on this button next to it, you will be able to hear this audio, or see this audio transcript of your audio clip. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Please subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.